Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to go over the arrayunique PHP function. Okay, so the arrayunique function. So this takes an array and it returns a new array without any duplicated values. So it has two parameters. The first one is the array, which is required, and the second one is optional. Those are the flags. So the sorting types of flags are sort regular. Documentation says compares item normally. I haven't used any of these. I'll link to the documentation so you can check it out if you want. Sort numeric, compare items numerically. Sort string, compare items as a string. And sort local string. Compare items as strings based on the current locale. Alright, well, let's give this one a shot. So, since it's winter time and we're in the foothill of the Rockies and I love snowboarding, we're going to go ski hills again. So I'll create an array of ski hills. Birdie. My personal favorite. Oops. And then we'll sunshine. Really like sunshine. I live in Calgary, so this is kind of my hill I go to. Great snow. Check it out if you're here. A lot of people like Lake Louise. Let's go with Louise next. Lake Louise, and oh, that's okay for now. Let's just start with 3. Okay, so now let's add a duplicate right now so we can just see it. Take out the duplicate. So 4. Let's add Fernie again. So we have Fernie twice. Fernie's the first one and the last one. So when we run this function, it's going to keep the first key will be Fernie, not the fourth. It takes in the first encounter, I guess it finds, and then discards any ones that it comes across next. All right. So we'll call the array unique. Oh man, I can't type. The array unique function. And we're going to pass ski hills into this. Ski hills variable or array. Okay, let's run it, see what we get. So 1 is Fernie, 2 Sunshine, Lake Louise. So this fourth one, Fernie, this is completely gone. So just to show that it's working, let's swap this out. Let's go Kimberly. I'll run it again. And now first one is Kimberly. So you can see that it's working and it's taken out the second occurrence of Kimberly. That's about it. Like I say, I'll link to the documentation in the comments, whatever, so you can check it out if you want to get more in depth at this one. All right, thank you.